Alright, welcome everybody to another box break by GolfNut777. As you can see, I've added my little Patrick Waugh helmet up there to my collection. As I said, I'm trying to add something every break, and you can see I've added quite a bit. I've also added my nice little Stanley Cup that my oldest son pulled out of a Kinder Egg. Doesn't say anything on it, but it's still a pretty cool Stanley Cup, and you can take a sip from it. Just to show you some cards, I actually had a really good mail week. I've got a bunch of cards that showed up. Some of these came out of Dally 66's box break. Some are individual cards that I bought. A couple of other box breaks. First is a Nick Bonino Artifact Rookie. Then I got the Henrik Karlsson SB Game Used Authentic Rookie. I got Henrik Karlsson autograph. Then I got a Matt Duchene rookie card. Milan Hajduk ultimate signature. Matt Duchene authentic game used jersey. Milan Hajduk gold parallel authentic game used jersey. Milan Hajduk authentic game used patch. And I got my Matt Duchene premium swatch. Numbered 9 of 35, so that matches his jersey number. My first Matt Duchene card that I got that matches his jersey number. So, and then last but not least, my Matt Duchene Future Watch autograph. Nice little card. I got that for a steal of a deal. I only paid like $50 for it, and I've been watching every other auction tends to sell for about 110, 120. So, I think I got a steal of a deal on it. We will be opening up 2010, 2011 artifacts. But before we get to the box, let's go through everyone's teams. So you can see I've got some return bidders. And I got some new bidders, all big hits. He's a first-time bidder. Hobby Guy 101E, new bidder. Everybody else, oh no, Low Movin' for the Islanders, new bidder. Everybody else are return bidders, so thank you very much, everybody. Now, as you'll see down here, I do not have anybody for Edmonton or Boston. That is because eBay thinks it's wise to unlist some of our teams. I did send out a mass email to a bunch of bidders that what I'm going to do is I am going to random off Edmonton and Boston to 2 teams. So before I get to the box break, let's go do that. As you guys can see, I've got 643boxbreaks.com up on the computer. I believe this is going to be the future of box breaks because eBay is not allowing us. And you can see there's a luxury suite box break and a Crown Royal box break listed. There's also an individual card listed for sale. So go ahead and check that out. Again, that's 643boxbreaks.com. And we'll go to the first random.org. I will go through. You'll see all the teams listed here. There are only 28 teams. Again, Edmonton and Boston are not on here. We'll randomize 3 times, and whoever's on top gets. The first one we'll do is Boston. So, Islanders, 28 teams. Vancouver. So whoever bought the Vancouver Canucks, they will also get all the Boston Bruin cards. So we'll go to random.org again. You'll see all the teams listed again. Randomize 3 times. Whoever gets this one gets Edmonton. Los Angeles on top. 28 teams. Second time, Atlanta on top. And now the winner of Edmonton is Tampa Bay. So whoever got the Tampa Bay Lightning will get all the Edmonton Oilers cards. And Vancouver gets Boston. So let's write this down. Edmonton goes to Tampa Bay. And Boston goes to Vancouver. There you go. Now let's get to the break. Serial number is NE90099700. And like usual, it's not going to show up on my camera. So you're just probably going to have to trust me on that. There is 10 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. I read online somewhere that the Artifacts 2011-2012 comes out September 6th. So I will be looking at buying boxes, if not a case of that. So we will pull 1 pack at a time. And as Fudgy McPoo says, a brown stripe is a bad card. First card, Andrew Cogliano, Edmonton Oilers. And then the spacer. Next card, Artifact Star, Eric Stahl, numbered 126 out of 999. Cam Ward, Carolina. And Martin St. Louis, Tampa Bay. Another brown stripe. First one, Henrik Lundqvist, New York Rangers. Then a spacer. Then we got Artifact Star. My new hero. Matt Duchene of the Colorado Avalanche. Numbered 102 out of 999. Evander Kane of the Atlanta Thrashers. Martin Brodeur of the New Jersey Devils. Another brown stripe. Pascal Leclerc of Ottawa. Then we got Artifacts Tundra Tantrums, and I'm going to show you this because that corner is not in good shape and it came straight out of the pack like that. This card is numbered 45 out of 75. It's Daniel Briere of the Philadelphia Flyers and Guillaume Latendresse of the Minnesota Wild. So we have Hobby Guy 101E has Philly, and Shawner 76 has Minnesota. So we will have to random that card off. You can see on the back it's got both teams. That corner's not in good shape either. But not a bad card. Couple of nice color breaks there on the Flyers card. So we will random that off. Then we had a spacer. Ilya Kovalchuk of the New Jersey Devils. Not a bad hit. Again, the brown stripe. We got a nice one in this pack too. Henrik Zetterberg, Detroit Red Wings. Then we've got Sidney Crosby of the Pittsburgh Penguins. Then we got an Artifacts green parallel of Rene Bourque of the Calgary Flames, numbered 17 of 50. Spacer, John Tavares of the New York Islanders. Jacob Voracek, Columbus. Drew Doughty, Los Angeles. Charles Linglet, Artifact Rookies, Edmonton Oilers, numbered 359 out of 999. Not the rookie we were looking for out of Edmonton. Spacer, Andrei Markov of the Montreal Canadiens. Milan Lucic of the Boston Bruins. Then we got another Artifacts rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Johan Motin, numbered 105 out of 999. Two rookies for Edmonton, and neither one of them are the good ones. Spacer, Joe Pavelski of San Jose, and Mikko Koivu of Minnesota. Roberto Luongo, Vancouver Canucks. Then we got a Frozen Artifacts dual jersey of Mike Green of the Washington Capitals, numbered 30 of 35. Not a bad hit for Washington. Then we got a Spacer and base of Matt Duchene from the Colorado Avalanche. Oh, this looks like there's a good one in there, not a brown stripe. Shea Weber, Nashville Predators. Antti Niemi for the Chicago Blackhawks. I'll save that one for the last. Anze Kopitar, Los Angeles Kings. Jonas Gustafsson, the Monster from Toronto. And the nice hit is Corey Perry. That is a jersey. That is a patch. You can see inside the patch it's got a little black on the left there. Green parallel, numbered 44 of 50. So a nice hit for Anaheim. Two packs left. Dustin Penner of the Edmonton Oilers. Then we got Rookie Redemption of the New York Islanders. Card number Red 219. That will be sent off to the owner of the Islanders and they can redeem it themselves. Then we got a Spacer. I think I'm going to save these Spacers and ship them all to Dally 66 to help him with his house that he's building. Claude Giroux, Philadelphia Flyers. And Zach Bogosian of the Atlanta Thrashers. And there's our empty box. As you can hear, my little one is getting a little anxious. Corey Perry of the Anaheim Ducks. Patrick Berglund of the St. Louis Blues. Then we got an Artifacts Autofax of Luca Caputi for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Spacer. And the last card in the box is Duncan Keith of the Chicago Blackhawks. All right. So, if any of you have been involved on my box breaks before, which you all have, sorry guys, we're trying to control the little one. So if any of you have been involved in my box breaks before, you know that I like to play poker. So, as you can see, I've got my cards over there. For the bonuses, we've got all of this over here. Now, unfortunately, I've been waiting for some boxes to show up, some full boxes, some ultimate, some game used, things like that. They have not shown up yet. So, you can see I have nothing underneath of the royal flush, the straight flush, the four of a kind, the full house, or the flush. Here's what I'm going to do. We play 3 hands of poker. If we get a high card, we'll give away those 2 cards. If we get a second high card or 1 pair, we'll give away those 2 cards. And if we get a third one, we will give away those 3 cards. If we get 2 pair or 3 of a kind or a straight, I will open up all 3 of these boxes. So that's 2008-9 Artifacts, 2010-11 Certified, or 2009-10 Upper Deck. If we get any of these 5 hands, a flush, a full house, 4 of a kind, straight flush, or royal flush, I will open up all 3 of those boxes, plus I will randomize for all 3 of those prizes. Because I don't have another good box to put in this, my goal is I want to open up all 3 of those boxes and give away all 3 of those cards. We'll go back over here. Here are all the cards. So there's ace through 2 of spades. There's the ace through 2 of clubs. There's the ace through 2 of diamonds. And there's the ace through 2 of hearts. Alright, so if you've played Texas Hold'em before, you know we deal out 2 cards to each hand. Then we do the flop, then the turn, and then the river. So, first card, second card, third card. First, second, third. Then we discard 1. Queen of clubs. 9 of hearts. Yeah. Peter Forsberg, Colorado, Quebec. Remember, they're retiring his jersey. First game of the year this year. And the third card is a 5 of clubs. Then we discard a card. Then we get a 7 of hearts. Then we discard a card. And then we get a 6 of clubs. So we have a straight possibility. We have a flush possibility. Just to recap, we got the Queen of Clubs, the 9 of Hearts, the 5 of Clubs, the 7 of Hearts, and the 6 of Clubs. In the first hand, we got Jack of Clubs, 2 of Spades. Boo! That is leaving us with a Queen High. Second hand, we got 10 of Spades, 6 of Spades. So with those, we end up with a pair of 6s. And last hand, we got a Queen of Hearts and a 4 of Clubs. A pair of queens. That really sucks. That's not what I wanted. That would end up being me randomizing for all 3 of these. You know what? We're not going to do that. We're going to open up this one. And we're going to open up this one. The artifacts and the certified. And we are going to randomize the first 2. So, we are going to get 2 extra boxes, plus a randomization for that jersey card and that rookie card, and a randomization for that jersey card and that rookie card. I'm going to film that all on a second video. And don't forget about my other bonus too. It's not listed, but I will randomize. 1 team will get a refund. In my last few breaks, it was 1 team who didn't get a hit. But tonight, I am going to do it with all 28 teams. All 28 teams will be involved in all the extras. Watch for my next video. Check you on the flip side.